These are the Daily Tech headlines for Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. I'm Sarah Lane. Microsoft's AI-powered Designer app is now available for iOS and Android users after being in preview for almost a year. Designer uses templates to create custom images or stickers or greeting cards or invitations and stuff like that, using what it calls AI to edit images and restyle them or create collages of images. Anybody with a personal Microsoft account can use Designer as well. Users get 15 free daily boosts that can be used to create or edit AI-powered images and designs, or you can upgrade to a Copilot Pro subscription to receive 100 boosts per day. French AI startup Mistral launched two large language models today, a math-based model and a code-generating model for programmers and developers based on a new architecture known as Mamba, developed by other researchers in late 2023. Mamba's goal is to improve efficiency of the transformer architecture used by many current LLMs by simplifying its attention mechanisms, with faster inference times and longer context. Other companies and developers, including AI21, have released new AI models based on it as well. Ex-President Elon Musk says that he intends to move X and SpaceX from their headquarters in California to Texas. Musk cited California Bill AB 1955, which says public schools are not required to tell parents if their child comes out at school or expresses a different gender identity. Musk says SpaceX will move its headquarters from Hawthorne, California to Starbase, Texas, and that X will move its headquarters from San Francisco, California to Austin, Texas. A hacktivist group has posted what it claims is data from thousands of Disney's internal Slack channels. This includes information on unreleased projects, code, and other group comms, and appears to go back to as far as 2019. The group that posted the data says it wants to raise awareness about how Disney handles artist contracts and policies on AI. A compromised account of a Disney manager of software development appears to be the way that the group gained access. This isn't considered a ransomware attack, as there's been no request for money from Disney. 3 subsea telecommunications cables that were damaged in the Red Sea back in February are on the mend. The 25,000-kilometer AAE-1 cable fiber optic link between Asia and Europe was repaired by a ship owned by eMarine, a subsidiary of Abu Dhabi-based Emirates Telecommunications Group. The same ship remains in Yemeni waters to repair the 2 other cables that are remaining, Seacom and EIG. The cables were originally severed by the anchor of a cargo ship. Microsoft is introducing checkpoint cumulative updates for Windows Server 2025 and Windows 11 version 24H2 and later. This lets Microsoft deliver security updates and features in smaller packages, updating specific parts instead of reinstalling whole chunks of code. With smaller amounts of data coming through the pipes, there's less space needed to stage the upgrade files on the hard drive and less time installing the update each month. Available now as Insider Preview Build 26120.1252 and rolling out to everyone later this year. Tinder is releasing a new feature for users to select better photos for their dating profiles. Tinder's new photo selector tool aims to take out the guesswork when picking your most flattering photos by curating a diverse selection that it says is optimized to help users find a match. To use the tool, you have to take a selfie, but also allow the app to access your device's camera roll. Then, the tool uses facial recognition to collate a selection of images for the user to review and add to their profiles. Tinder says the curation is processed on device and doesn't upload the user's camera roll to any other servers. Finally, a nonprofit academic group called Eleuther AI included data scraped from public YouTube videos in its own Pile dataset, which was made available to any organization researching AI. But Proof News claims that Eleuther AI broke YouTube's terms of service by using videos without permission. Then thousands of organizations use that Pile dataset in training of their own various models. That includes companies like Apple, Nvidia, and Salesforce. The companies themselves aren't accused of accessing the data without permission, but they used an open academic training dataset that may have improperly accessed data itself. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. That's where you can find show notes and links to all these headlines there as well. I'm Sarah Lane. Thanks for listening, and we will talk to you next time.